Alright, hey guys, if you are watching this video, this is going to be a review on how to find the mean, median, mode, and range. So there are two things that you should have gotten from this video at the end, or if I gave you a list of numbers, finding the mean, the median of those numbers, the mode, and the range. You also should be able to look at line plots and interpret and figure out information based on those line plots. Okay? You may have done this before with the sub, but I wasn't here, so this video is going to reiterate the things that I would probably say. First of all, if you have numbers, so let me write these down. 7, 9, 14, 18, and 26. The most important thing is to make sure whatever numbers you have are in order from the least all the way up to the greatest. This will ensure that you're getting the correct answers. If they're not in order, then your data is going to be wrong. First of all, in order to find the mean, we know that mean is just a fancy word for average. It means that you're trying to take the numbers and figure out if you redistributed it, what each person would get. First, you have to add them all up. So if you have 7, 9, 14, 18, and 26, and if you were going to add them all up, let me just use my calculator. If you were going to add them up, 9 plus 14 plus 18 plus, I got 74. That's my total. If I have TGA, 74 is my total. My number of groups is how many numbers I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So my average, I have to divide 74 divided by, I can be right, 7 plus 9 plus 14 plus 18. I guess they don't want us to find the mean. If I divided that by 5, I'm going to get 14.8 on my calculator. The mean for that would be 14.8. Okay? If I want to find the median, I remember that a median is the middle number, kind of like when you're driving down the road and that thing in between your lane and the other lane, in that cement thing, is called the median, which means it's the middle. Also, median has 6 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Middle has 6 letters. Median is the middle number. You have to order them from least to greatest, and then you have to cross them out to find the middle. So cross out 1 on this side, 1 on this side, 1 on this side, 1 on this side, and the only one left is 14, so 14 must be my median. The mode is the number that occurs the most often. I remember that because of mo and most. Also, this has 4 letters, and most has 4 letters. The number that comes up the most, well, here, all 7's only once, 9's once, 14 once, 18 once, 26 once. There's no mode because no number shows up more often than the other numbers. Last is the range, which is I want to see the numbers I'm dealing with between how many, like what's the number, like 7 to 26, what's my range of numbers that I'm dealing with. So I would take the biggest number, 26, and I minus the smallest number, which is 7, and then when I subtract them, I get 19. So my range is 19. Okay? Now I want you to try with a set of numbers. Let's do these. 118. Are these in order? I might skip this. Hang on. I'm going to do these numbers, okay? So let's do 132, 143, 108, 126, 143, 175, 139, and 156. I want you to find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. And then unpause the video when you think you found it. All right, I'm assuming that you did the work. First of all, you have to order the numbers from least to greatest. That's the most important thing. If you do not do it, you're going to get it wrong. So the lowest number is 108, and then I cross it off. That way I know I don't do it twice. The next lowest number is 126. Cross it off. Then I have 132, 139, 143, 143 again, 156, and 175. Okay? Find the mean. I know that I'm adding all of the numbers up and I'm regrouping them into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because there's 8 numbers. So on my calculator, I'm going to add all the numbers. 108, plus 126 plus 132 plus 139 plus 143 plus 143 plus 156 plus 175. My total is 1,122. Now, if I have 8 groups, I know that I have to divide to find the average. I'm going to divide that by 8, and I got 140.25, or if I want it as a remainder, I could also solve that, but I just did it in my calculator. Median is the middle number, so whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I'm going to cross off 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Oh, I have 2 left over. Oh no. If you have 2 left over, you have to put them together. And I have 282, and then I'm splitting that in half, so that way I can figure out what's in the middle of those. And it is 141, so that means that 141 is in the middle. Last is my mode. What number comes up most often? So I have any repeating numbers. Oh, I have 2 143s. That must mean it's the mode because no other number shows up twice. And the range is my biggest, which is 175, minus my smallest, which is 108. And if I do that, minus 108, I get 9. Whoop, I messed that up in my calculator. 175 minus 108, 67. My range is 67. Okay? If you would like to keep practicing, you can maybe ask. I have another set of data that you could use. You can try these numbers, or I guess we did those numbers. You could try these numbers if you want to pause and figure this out. Remember, mean is the average, median is the middle, mode is the most, range is biggest minus the smallest. I'm going to do another video actually on line plots. That way this one's not too long. I really suggest watching that video because line plots are tricky and you still have to apply all of these same things to the line plots. All right, thanks guys.